Welcome! In this video I will show you how to update Windows on your LENOVO G70 laptop. So to see if your Windows require any updates, let's go into the Start menu, then proceed to Settings. Here you'll have to select the Update and Security section, then go to the Windows Update. And right in this menu, you'll be able to check your updates by clicking on the Check for Updates button. But if you already have some updates prepared for you, like I do, then to install them, just click on this button and wait for the installation to complete. And once the installation completes, you may also have to restart your PC if it tells you so on this page. But if it doesn't, then you'll just have to wait until the updates are downloaded and installed, and you'll be just fine. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.